चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And first up in this edition, we cut across to breaking news coming in. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju has taken to social media to announce that the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha is being summoned from June 24 to July 3rd, I beg your pardon. This for oath, affirmation of new elected members, election of speaker, president's address and discussion will follow thereon. 264th session of the Rajya Sabha that will commence on the 27th of June and it will conclude on the 3rd of July. After Modi 3.0 that has now taken charge, this is the latest development of Parliament session commencing from the 24th of June and it will go on till the 3rd of July. That is a little more than a week. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, who took to social media to put out this information of the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha that is set to begin from the 24th of June till the 3rd of July for oath, affirmation of new elected members. Also along with that, election of speaker, president's address and the discussion that will follow thereon. As he is informed, 264th session of the Rajya Sabha that will commence on the 27th of June and is likely to commence, I beg your pardon, to conclude by the 3rd of July. Cutting across to Riyanka, who's joining us on the phone line to get us all the latest details. Riyanka, do tell us how Parliament is all set to begin by the end of this month and the key decisions to be taken.
That's right. We see how there was the induction of all the leaders and we saw how all of the leaders had taken charge of their, specific ministries. Now the next step is the Parliament, where the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha is being called upon on the 24th of June, and this will last up to the 3rd of July. And in this session, there will be oath and affirmation of the newly elected members. And in fact, the most important, there will be election of the speaker as well. On the other hand, we will get to witness the president's address, and then there will be the discussions which will be taken forward. Also, if we talk about Rajya Sabha, the 264th session of the Rajya Sabha will in fact commence on the 27th of June and conclude on the 3rd of July. So several deliberations will be made, several discussions will be taken forward. But the one thing to take look here will be the election of the speaker. Who will be the speaker next?